Tired of scrolling through endless squads to find the right one in FC24? Let's streamline your team management by showing you how to delete squads, freeing up space and decluttering your game. First, from the FC24 main menu, navigate to the Ultimate Team section. This is your hub for all things squad related, so go ahead and select it. Once you're in Ultimate Team, look for the squads option. It's usually found in the central area of the screen, often represented by an icon of multiple players or a team formation. Click on it to proceed. Now you'll see a list of all your saved squads. Carefully select the squad you want to delete. Be extra sure it's the right one, as this action is irreversible. After selecting the squad, you need to open up the Squad Actions menu. This is usually accessed by pressing the designated button displayed on the bottom of the screen. Within this menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Delete Squad. A confirmation prompt will appear, double-checking if you really want to delete the squad. Read the warning carefully, and if you're certain, confirm the deletion by selecting Yes or Confirm. And that's it. The squad is now permanently deleted from your FC24 profile. This simplifies your squad selection, allowing you to concentrate on building your dream team. Subscribe for more FC24 tips and tricks.